Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, power steering, floor mats, hard disk drive media storage, 6-speed automatic transmission standard, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.